So now let's see how we can work around with light flares and light leak effects inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this particular clip, and in order to apply the light flare effect, I'm going to go around over here under the lights and flares folder. Once I do that, you can see that light flares is in effect right here. Let me just go around and click and drag this out over here on my clip right here, and the light flare has been applied. So if I were to go around and choose different lenses right here, you can see that the light flare effects gets applied just like this. I can go around and click and drag this out wherever I want, and I can resize out the light flare effect as well. You can go around and change around the hotspot position right here for the light flare, and you can go around and change around the intensity as well, and also change around the scale, as you can see just like this. You can go around and change around the blending mode as you like, and change around the color of the light flare as you like as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and make it more yellow right here, just like this, as if the sun is coming up. You can change around the gamma to change around the brightness, and then you can work around with the saturation just like this as well, and change around the hue shift just like this as well. Apart from that, you can work around with hotspot, like change around the brightness over here, and you can change around the color from over here just like this as well. You can change around the scale just like this as well. Then apart from that, you can change around the rays brightness, the quantity right here of the rays, as you can see right here, and change around the rays just like this. And you can change around the rotation of the rays just like this as well, and change around the lens scale, as you can see just like this, as you like, and the width scale over here as well. For the other elements, you can change around the brightness right here just like this, and you can go around and change around the other settings as you like right here, and scale it out as well, like there's the small light right there. Apart from that, there's the light leak effect. So if I were to go around and add that in, then you get the light leak effect right here. So you can go around and change around the threshold right here just like this, so that you get a leaking, and then you can go around and change around the scale, the stretch right here, and the rotation of the effect right here. Change around the frequency, the seed, and the motion over here just like this as well, and the direction as well. So you can go around and change around the shake amount right here just like this, and then change around other things over here just like this as well, like translation, like rotation, frequency, and then you can go around and change around the color as well just like this, and change around other settings right here. So once I do that, if I were to go around over here, you will be able to see preview just like this, and this is how the effect is applied, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with light flares and light leak effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.